How to send a direct message on Discord. Wanna chat one-on-one without the whole server listening in? Today I'm gonna show you exactly how to send a direct message on Discord, whether it's a friend, mode, or your crush. Let's get into it. First things first, open Discord. Log into your Discord app or use discord.com in your browser. Now find the person you want to message. Option A. If they are your friend, click the Friends tab, the smiley face icon, find their name and click it. Boom, your DM window opens. Option B. If you share a server with them, go to that server, find their name in the member list, usually on the right click it and select message. Now just type your message at the bottom of the DM window and hit enter. You can send text, emojis, GIFs, files, all the fun stuff. Bonus tip, if the message option is missing, their privacy settings might be blocking DMs from non-friends. In that case, you can send them a friend request first or ask them to adjust their settings in the server. And that's it. Now you know how to slide into someone's DM on Discord, responsibly of course. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.